Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to this channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe because it's an awesome channel and you will find very useful information here. Basically, the ones who watch my video are creators who create effects using Spark AR Studio, but today's video is for Instagram users who want to know how to find all these awesome effects which others do. I'm gonna show you 3 simple ways to search those effects, but don't forget that you can create filters yourself. Alright. So the first way is for lucky guys, because not every account on Instagram has this icon. Let me show. Open your Instagram camera and down here you have all the filters you have added. If you have not saved any filters, you have only Instagram filters. Scroll to this loop and open Effect Gallery. Here are all the effects divided into categories. You may find something interesting here. But if you have this search field, you can search filters by name. For example, let's try Disney, whatever. And here we have different filters named Disney. And over here is the first and the most popular one. You may also open one effect and swipe left to see the next one. To save the effect to your gallery, either stay on the screen with demo video and click here on this tiny icon, or try the effect on first and click here for the information and save it. Now the effect is saved to your camera and you may use it whenever you want. But right now, not every account has this search tool. So, what to do? Well, if you know the name of the creator, you may simply find his account, hit this face icon here, and get every filter you like. Save it the same way. And of course, if you are watching stories and see the filter you like, just click on its name and save it. The good news is, if you tried an effect but didn't save it, you can find it in your effect gallery in the next few times you open the Instagram camera. And bonus tip! If your friend has the effect you like, he can send the link to you. Wow, that's really simple! That's all! Thanks for watching! Have fun! See you soon!